I woke up and weighed well over 300 pounds. I had always been a big guy, but I went to the doctor one day and weighed 315, where I thought I weighed 275 and was just large. I was fat, in fact, morbidly obese. So it was time to take care of that.
There are multiple options for weight loss surgery. The most common one, who's been popular for many years, is the gastric bypass, the Roux-en-Y gastric bypass. And the last few years, it's been real popular has been the gastric sleeve, and in the passing there has been the lap band. They're really the most common procedures in the United States. Gastric bypass is probably the most discussed about because it's an operation that it provides for two tools in the weight loss. One is the restrictive part, which is the amount of food you eat. It restricts it very much to a very small amount. And then there's the part they call the bypass, which is rerouting of the intestinal tract. So it's not all the calories are absorbed, so there's a decrease in the amount of calories absorbed.
I had the gastric bypass. I had the Roux-en-Y. I didn't think there was any way that a smaller procedure than lesser procedures were going to let me lose the weight I needed to lose. I've dieted before and lost 30 pounds at a time, really without too much problem. But it's the next 50 that I was never going to be able to get without surgery.
Bjorn came in to see me, and he was pretty adamant what he wanted. He had all this information, very well educated on what he wanted to do. At that time, he selected a robotic Roux-en-Y bypass. He's done very well with it. He's lost a lot of weight. So if you look at his weight loss, it's significant, but generally he looks much healthier.
I weighed 315 pounds before I had the surgery in April of 2012, and I weigh 216 pounds today. So I'm down 99 pounds 15 months later. This process has changed my life quite a bit.
The choice is really based on a medical condition and a surgical condition of someone. But they both have excellent outcomes and they have excellent follow-ups. And the lifestyle change they provide is sometimes irreplaceable. It's a great amount of satisfaction from either one of the surgeries.